Welcome back my YouTube channel Coin World Explorer. Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating small coins in Europe, this coin, 5 euro cent coin from Germany, minted in 2002. At first glance, it may seem like an ordinary piece of copper-plated steel, but hidden within it lies a story of unity, transformation, and numismatic beauty. The 5 euro cent coin was introduced in 2002, marking one of the most important transitions in European monetary history, the introduction of the euro. This tiny coin became part of a much larger system representing economic unity across multiple European countries. For Germany, it was more than just a coin. It was a symbol of a new beginning after replacing the beloved Deutsche Mark. Each 5-cent coin carries the spirit of the European Union. On one side, designed by Luc Louix of the Royal Belgian Mint, we see the global map that represents the expanding unity of the European nations. The coin's reverse side shows Europe before its enlargement, with 6 parallel lines cutting across the globe, intersected by 12 stars, a symbol of the European ideal of unity through diversity. Now, what makes the German 5 euro cent coin of 2002 unique is its national side. Germany's design, created by Professor Rolf Lederbogen, proudly features the oak twig. This oak motif has deep roots in German tradition, a long-standing emblem of strength, endurance, and stability, which has appeared on German coins for centuries, even before the Euro era. The oak twig is not just a plant symbol. It carries emotional and historical meaning. The oak tree is considered Germany's national tree, representing the resilience of its people through times of hardship and renewal. This connection between nature and national identity gives the coin a sense of pride that every German can feel. If you look carefully, you'll notice a small letter just below the oak leaves. That tiny mint mark is incredibly important. Germany uses 5 different mint marks, A, D, F, G, and J, each representing a specific minting location across the country. A stands for Berlin, D for Munich, F for Stuttgart, G for Karlsruhe, and J for Hamburg. These little letters are crucial for collectors, as they tell exactly where the coin was struck. In 2002, when the euro coins first entered circulation, all 5 German mints were busy producing millions of coins for the big currency changeover. However, due to minor differences in production, mint marks, and condition, some coins today are far rarer than others. This has made the 2002 5-cent coin a favorite among collectors who love searching for special variations. The coin's composition is also worth noting. It is made of copper-plated steel, giving it a distinctive reddish tone. This was chosen to ensure durability while maintaining a beautiful metallic shine that would stand out in circulation. The edges are smooth, and the diameter of the coin is 21.25 millimeters, with a weight of 3.92 grams. A perfect balance of lightness and sturdiness. When you hold this coin, you're holding a piece of the early euro history, a time when millions of Europeans were transitioning from national currencies to a shared one. The 5-cent coin, though small, was part of that momentous shift. For Germany, it represented trust in a shared European future while still preserving national pride through its unique design. Collectors around the world love the 2002 German coins for their clean design, strong symbolism, and historical timing. The first-year issues, especially those in uncirculated or proof condition, are often sought after. Even though millions were minted, finding one that has survived untouched, shining as it did on day one, is something truly special. Another fascinating aspect of this coin lies in the details of the oak design. The veins of the leaves, the texture of the twig, and the curvature of each element reveal the artistry that went into crafting such a tiny yet meaningful piece. It's a reminder that coinage is not just about money. It's about art, culture, and identity. Over the years, some errors and rare varieties of the 5 euro cent 2002 coin have been discovered. Coins with off-center strikes, double dies, or unique minting flaws. These rare mistakes are highly prized by numismatists because they turn an ordinary circulation coin into a treasure worth hunting for. People often underestimate the 5-cent coin because of its small denomination, but in the world of collectors, even the tiniest coin can carry a massive story. It's not about how much it's worth to spend, it's about how much history it holds. And the 2002 German 5-cent coin is a prime example of that. Now, let's talk about the value. For most regular 2002 German 5-euro-cent coins in circulated condition, the value ranges from a few cents to a few dollars. However, for coins in perfect mint state, proof versions, or rare error varieties, the price can skyrocket. Some of the most pristine and limited examples, especially those from rare mint marks or with unique production traits, have been estimated by collectors and auction houses at values reaching up to $5 million for exceptional, one-of-a-kind specimens. So next time you come across a small 5-cent coin from Germany dated 2002, take a moment before you spend it. Look closely at the mint mark, examine the details, and think of the history it represents. Who knows? You might be holding a tiny copper treasure worth more than you can imagine. Thank you for joining Coin World Explorer today. If you enjoyed exploring the story of the 2002 German 5-euro-cent coin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the world of coins. Until next time, keep collecting, keep discovering, and keep the spirit of history alive in your hands.